is with utmost honor to welcome all of you to the 123rd founding anniversary of the Bureau of Customs. For 123 years, the Bureau's central role towards nation building has become more evident as we continue to forge measures towards our threefold mandate of revenue collection, trade facilitation, and border protection.
More than a century ago, the Bureau of Customs was founded with the vision of being a credible customs administration that upheld good governance. Today, that goal remains in sharp focus. Many may not realize how the Bureau's achievements contribute to our collective progress. Its accomplishments are often measured by the revenues that support our economy, our schools, our hospitals, and the contraband seized before it reaches the wrong hands. So we celebrate the BOC's 123rd anniversary today with a challenge that involves everyone. Sa lahat ng opisyal, inspektor at kawani ng BOC, lagi ninyong unahin ang kapakanan ng sambayanan. Gampanan ninyo ang inyong tungkulin ng buong katapatan at may malasakit sa inyong kapwa Pilipino. Nakabantay ang buong bayan. Kaya naman, patuloy tayong magsusumikap para sa minimithing landas patungo sa bagong Pilipinas. Since the beginning of this administration, the BOC has relentlessly pursued its commitment to enhancing trade facilitation. Sa tamang pagkukolekta ng taripa sa ating mga pantalan, mas mabilis ang biyahe ng ating mga kababayan, magkakaroon ng sapat na kagamitan sa pag-aaral ng ating mga anak, at mapapagtapos natin sa kolehiyo ang mas marami pa nating mga kabataan.
As we commemorate decades of quality public service with the theme Customs delivering on its commitment to efficiency, security, and prosperity, we have indeed made significant strides in fulfilling our threefold mandates and sustaining the bagong Pilipinas mark of leadership and governance.
Happy anniversary, BOC!
Muli, magandang hapon, maraming salamat, mabuhay tayong lahat, at mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.